Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out in this beautiful home in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's actually buffered really well. If you notice, it's like they did a good job buffering, but we're out here not for the buffer, but for the concrete. And this concrete is the original right here. And you can see it was finished this direction. The rest of this concrete, it was put in a couple of years ago. And the finish is more of this direction on the rest of the concrete. Now the issue becomes is this has already started to crack right there, and they tried to do some kind of a goofy patch on it, and they charged them quite a bit, but it's like a skim coat, a patch with a skim coat. This is a different color, and you can tell it comes up very weirdly. And the thing about concrete around pools is a lot of times the concrete is a very weak pour anyway. So I usually come in with either a wand or very, very low pressure, and with surface cleaner. I went about half my pressure or half my revolutions per minute on my surface cleaner, in order to always make sure you pick these up, because they will come up in your surface cleaner and break your surface cleaner and break them and wish them away, and that's a mess. So always move those. They are not tied down well. So went in with the surface cleaner at half pressure, so that way it's very light pressure on this. Move the dirt, move as much of the skim coat off this as possible. Try to get it to color match. I'm sure it's not going to, because I can see a lot of the coat still here in blotchiness, but a couple of more treatments and it should do a lot better. We also did the stairs and stuff because they were kind of bad, and that's where we are. Just wipe down a little bit of this from the splash and the pressure, make it look good, and we are out of here for at least this year. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.